Hi, my name is Sindhuja Selvaraju. My metric number is 15D8019F2006. Our product is Snack Bites. Snack Bites is selling a traditional muruku. Okay, today I want to present about a marketing plan. A marketing plan may be a part of overall business. So, marketing strategy is the foundation of a well-written marketing plan so that goal may be achieved. Will a marketing plan contains of a list of action without a sound of strategy foundation? It is the little use for the business plan. Okay, next part is target marketing. The target market for our business is the people who live in Ipoh, Teluk Intan, Rawang and Selangor, especially near our housing area. Our target is also school students, social media users, family members and neighborhood. Okay, next is market size. Our market size is the total number of buyers of your product or service within a given market. The information can be particularly useful for our business and entrepreneurship looking to invest in new product. Okay, our product is a traditional muruku. Okay, our traditional muruku, we sell 5 types of muruku, that is pakoda, kari muruku, ubi pedas, batal kecil. It's a flavor like udang. Mixer pedas. You can see our selling product. We sell pakoda 30%, kari muruku 50%, ubi pedas 20%, batal kecil 10%, mixer pedas 23%. So we selling 100% for our business. Okay, next is a market share. Market share represented the percentage of an industry or a market total sale that is earned by a particular company or over a specific time period. Market share is calculated by taking the company sales over the period and dividing it by the total sales of the industry over the same period. So our Snack Bites also got a market total sales, that is 5 spices of muruku, pakoda, kari muruku, ubi pedas, pantal kecil and mixer pedas. Thank you.
Good morning to Puan Faizatul. My name is Hanushini Ravindran and my metric number is 15D8019F2003. Today I would like to present about the forecast sales for our 5 types of muruku. The types of muruku that we sell are pakoda, kari muruku, bantal kecil udang, mixture pedas and ubi pedas. The total forecast sales in October is 757 and in November was 634, while in December is 982 and in January was 541. Next, I would like to talk about the marketing budget for our Snack Bites business. The expenses budget that we used are total RM 460, for promotion RM 20, for tasting RM 400 and for advertisement is RM 40. So we know that the tasting has the highest percentage than others.
So hello to my beloved madam and my fellow friends. My name is Tarneshwari Ramesh Kumar and my metric card number is 15.19F2036. And today I'm going to talk about some elements in our Snack Bite. So firstly is our planning process. So firstly we order raw material from suppliers, that is PKH Kacang Putih Ipoh. And secondly is we received our raw materials from them. Thirdly is we received order through social media, even as can say through customers. So fourth one is making butter station and the fifth one is production planning. So the sixth one is order confirmation and payment. So we will be confirm the order so that won't be any fraud or misstatements. And the sixth one is snack making station, and the last one is we will be do packaging because. So now I'm going to elaborate about our process through online selling. Okay, how we manage to do this? Okay, firstly we create a media social platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, or even we create a Shopee account. And the second one is we post and promote our products through our social media platform so that we can attract people and make them buy our snack bites. And the third one is we share payment with the customers so that there won't be any fraud and will be easier for the customers. And the fourth one is ready for takeaway or delivery. The fifth one is collect payments and details of the customer so that there won't be any mistake from us. And the last one is start receiving orders again. So now I'm going to talk about our production schedule in our snack bites. So I will be talking about how many hours we work, how many days we work, from what time to what time we finish the work. So we will be working from Monday to Sunday, so every day, and from 10 a.m. until 10 p.m. So we will be taking order from Monday to Sunday, which means every day, and from 10 a.m. until 10 p.m. So customers can contact us through online shopping. So that's why we manage to work every day because it's online, it's in our hand. So customers do contact us now.
Next is machine and equipment. These are the machine and equipments that we use in our business project. For example, flour, baking soda, spices, yeast, wooden spoon, measuring cup, and packaging equipment. Together its price. This is the location of operation. Our location of operation is close to where we take the product from supplier, and the delivery cost is also cheap.
Hello everyone, my name is Danusha Kailas Singh, number matric 15D1819F 2009. Today I am going to explain about statement of profit and loss. Sales for October is 757, November 634, December is 982, and January is 541. Direct cost of sales 360 for October, November 234, December 221, January 108. For total expenses is 269 for October, 132 for November, 293 for December, and 187 for January. Okay, lastly for the profit and loss is net profit 125 for October, November 263, December 463, and lastly for January 241. I'm going to explain about statement of cash flow and statement of financial position. For October 690 is balance, November 1300, December 1689, January 2101 is all is balance. And then net profit cash flow 493 for October, November is 507, December 694, for January 359. Cash balance for October 1183, November is 1807, December is 2383, and January 2460. Now is statement of financial position. Total asset for October is 1178. For November is 1797, December 2368, for January 2440. For total capital for October 1053, for November 1534, December 1905, for January 2199. Total liability and capital is 1178 for October, 1797 for November, for December 2368, for January 2440. Lastly, I am going to explain about project implementation schedule. There are 5. Task 1 until task 5. Task 1 on January, New Year sale. Task 2 April, Chinese New Year sale. Task 3 July, Hari Raya promotion. Task 4 October, 10/10 sale. Task 5 December, Diwali promotion. That's all from me. Thank you.